show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love man. You she break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know.
Hi fairies, and welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is going to be sponsored by OMGHerHair. I have done a video with them previously before. I will link that as a card right here. This time I'm going to be doing a wig from them that has 3A, 3B curly edges. This is considered their loose curly 13x6 wig. If I'm not mistaken, it's clean lace or HD lace. But can we take a minute to pause and check out this new body? Okay, the workout is working. I am finally seeing progress. We will get all into that as far as workouts and stuff later. So this wig does come in 22 inches. Y'all know I'm short. If you didn't know, I am 5'4", but I ended up cutting it later on anyway because the ends just were a little bit too thin for my liking, but I will definitely show y'all later how to finesse that. So this video is about to be all about how I do my wig installs from beginning to end. First, I'm going to start with gelling back my little baby hairs. I am growing back my hair. If you guys want to see my PCOS hair growth journey, make sure you check out my previous video. But I'm going to be using this Curlsmith hydro gel to just gel back those edges to protect our hairline. Every product that I'm pretty much using in this video is going to be in regards to protecting our hairline because we are trying to grow these edges back. Once I have that gel down, I'm just going to use this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Skin Protector and spray that on the hairline. So I just put that in and blow dried it. And I'm also going to be using this HD wig cap. I have been on the HD wig cap trend, the move, the everything. I feel like it just makes my ball cap method look so much more seamless. I'm going to be doing an updated ball cap method using some different products you guys have not seen me use together. And when I tell y'all this ball cap method is absolutely a genius, it's bomb, it's everything, definitely stay tuned because I'm so excited. To start my ball cap method, I'm just going to cut these sides of my ears and then I'm going to use this Ebin melting spray. I love this melting spray. I will put my video when I first reviewed this product right here as a card. This product is the only thing that has really melted my ball caps the way that you guys see in this part of the video. My ball cap be going nowhere. Usually when I use another lace spray product, it does not tack down that ball cap the way that this product does. And it also does not take a super long time to dry. It only takes about 15 seconds to dry. It could be because it's a pretty thin ball cap. I don't know, but I'm not complaining, not one bit. And then I'm going to take another lace melting product. This is not the same as the black bottle, which is in the Supreme formula. They are not the same. People be saying on YouTube that they are the same, but they are definitely not. We're going to use some foundation. So the biggest trick that I have found is using that one shade lighter. It's kind of close to your real skin color, but it's not really hitting. Yeah, take that one foundation and we're going to use that to blend that ball cap. And then the last thing as far as this ball cap method, I'm going to take this hairspray. It's from STYLIST and I'm going to spray the ball cap in my skin. And when I tell y'all, this looks invisible. So now we're going to move on to customizing the hairline on this wig. Like I mentioned before, this is 3A, 3B edges. I believe this is my first time using this type of hair texture. I'm loving the whole vibe in general of the curly edges wigs. I feel like they are catered more to African American hair types and they just look so real, especially if you know how to finesse the hairline properly. I like to go and pluck my hairlines on the curly edges wigs. I know you can definitely take it straight out of the box and comb it backwards and just wear it as is, but I find that when you pluck it a little bit, it just makes that hairline look so real and people never really know if this is my real hair or a wig. wig. So we are going to take that 𝐒𝐵𝐼 lace melting spray one more time and use that to install the wig. I'm just going to spray it on top of the ball cap and I'm going to pull that wig down. And I love this spray because it really holds that wig in place. A lot of times when I use other melting sprays or lace sprays in general, it doesn't really hold the lace automatically. Usually I have to kind of just press it down for a couple of seconds and then it will hold. Yeah, no ma'am, not with this lace spray. Once you put that lace down, it is holding 𝐒𝐿𝐼𝐻, okay? So I'm just gonna use this elastic band and melt that lace in. And I'm gonna use my blow dryer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna melt this hairline yet again, and this time I'm gonna use this mousse. I love using this mousse to melt in my hairlines. I feel like it takes away that crunchy crunch look on the hairline. And I'm gonna put that elastic band on one more time, but this time I'm just gonna let that melt in as I define these curls. These curls are a loose textured curl. I don't think I've ever really had a loose curl wig like this. It's more of like, I don't know, I really want to say like a 3B texture. So I'm just going to define the hair and use some 𝐼𝐻 curl cream mixed with water in a spray bottle. And I'm going to first put that in the hair to wet the hair. Use that Denman brush to define those ends. And then I'm going to use this curl mousse I got from Aussie. It's a leave-in and curl mousse mixed together. This combo with that 𝐼𝐻 leave-in cream is so bomb. It defines the curl so good. It gives a nice shine to it and it creates a bomb hold all day long. And I'm going to use some foundation powder to put that in the hairline to make it look more like my skin tone. So I just wanted to clip off the ends and just make the hair look more even. I felt like the ends were a little bit thin as far as the front of the wig. So I just wanted to even out the wig as a whole. And I also layered the front of the hair because it just gives the curled wig more depth. Now, y'all know we cannot leave it like this. We got to define these ends a bit more. I like to take a textured mousse. I will link it down below. I got it from my beauty supply store, but I know Amazon sells it. And I'm going to take a bunch of that mousse and take a small section at the end of the hair and wrap it around my finger to define those ends and make it look more uniformed. I'm also going to take a little bit of that mousse and put that on the top of my wig to just tame any flyaways I might have. Now we are coming towards the end of the video, but I just wanted to cut off any of the lace that I was still seeing to make it look super believable and like it's not even there. Y'all gotta remember I am filming on a 5K camera, so y'all see every texture on my head. And I also took a foundation brush. I don't have any new foundation on it. It's left over from when I did my makeup. Press that brush in to blend that hairline more with my skin tone. And then the last step to styling this hair, I'm going to take this curling oil and rub that through my hands and just press my hands together to blend that through the wig. This is going to create more shine, and it's also going to break up any hard areas on the bottom of the wig from that texture mousse. And then the final step, we are going to be picking this wig to create some volume. I wanted it to be super uniform, but at the same time, I wanted some volume to it. So I only picked it just a little bit. I'm also going to define the front of the wig. I kind of like to create a little bump with my hot comb so that it's a nice sleek line. And y'all, this look looked so good. I cannot believe I am getting so good with these wigs to make them look so believable, and I be finessing the heck out of these affordable wigs, okay? As always, let me know down in the comment section how you guys felt I did. Like this video, and as always, can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.